Munene wa maminista na ulangi niwe minista muviani wa nthi syanza Musalia Mudavadi niwaweta kana nimekuendeeya na kuikiithya kana nimekuendeeya na kuthukuma kana kuyanisya uthukumi nthini wa muvia wa uiiti na india inena Mudavadi kuyangalikoni sya Mombasa niwaweta kana nimekuithiwa mayikala nthi vamwe na matakitali ni kana kuminukililia kana kwithiwa mayungamia mukomo ula withitwo vo wa matakitali kwa ivinda yasani kana mwene nthi atetheke nuwetie kana methiwa mayuka na mwamulo ulo kwithiwa yikala ivinda yasa indi tikila kithitwo kikusiwa kila ivinda ta mukomo kwithiwa uisio kithia livoti umbanitwo niwe Angelina Muse.
Munene wa maminista na ulangi ni minista muviani wa maundu ma nthi syanza Musalia Mudavadi niwaweta kana mukomo ula withitwo vo wa matakitali wivikia kwa ngwatanio ya selikali na muvia wa uiiti aweta kana nimakuikiithya kana nimatwa isionananya ula uvikia kumina Ngusanisyo ila syithiitwe vo kati wa selikali na Athukumi muviani wa uiiti.
Presently, we have a crisis now in its 5th week caused by the shutdown of our entire public health system, by medical practitioners or professionals demanding better pay and employment of medical interns. And indeed, I came here also to say that as much as we may have an industrial issue, our partnership with the professionals in the health sector can never be downplayed and should never be underrated. So it is for me to show that in spite of what is going on, we shall have logical dialogue and ultimately be able to resolve the issues that we have.
Musalia nene akiva kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala wethi wevingwa ikomono ya mithenya ina ya kila mwaka ya ngwatanio ya matakitali na ataalamu ma maundu ma syana vala waweta kana selikali ni ikiite nimekuendeeya kwa ilia uima wamwe kwesiana nini.
Here in Kenya, we have made great strides in improving the metrics for our children, particularly in health and education. But our systems are occasionally tested to the core by disruptions that compromise the access and rights of children to quality health services.
Kavindani ka Musalia ni wa makuli ataalamu ama maundu ma syana vamwe na Athukumi muviani wa uiiti kuthukuma na kithiitwe kuikiithya kana muvango wa selikali wa kwailia uiiti kwa kila mwene nthi kana universal healthcare niwe undu vailite.
We as healthcare sector stakeholders should align our priorities and commitments with the government's healthcare agenda to provide affordable, accessible and quality healthcare services to all Kenyans. We have a collective responsibility to support the whole of government approach in delivering our commitment to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for health, to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all stages.
Ilivoti ya vilingi wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Muse.